अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदामयं ददाति स्वपदान्ति। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सहजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पति गोपेशो गोपिकान्तो राधाकान्तो नमस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौरांगी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौर तुयसे नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्य छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। I am very happy to come here to meet you all here, dear devotees. of Srimad Gauranga Mahaprabhu, and I hope I'll be much benefited by your esteemed association. Srimad Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. He is Krishna himself, but he came as a devotee, assuming the mood of a devotee. আপনি করিমু ভক্ত ভাব অঙ্গীকারে, আপনি আচরি ভক্তি শিখামু সবারে. He thought up like that. Krishna thought up like that. I'll go, assuming the mood of devotee. I'll cultivate devotion in my own life and teach that devotion to others. Krishna came 5,000 years ago. He gave his most confidential instruction through Arjuna to all humanity. Isn't it? What is his most confidential instruction? No, quote the verse. What is his most confidential instruction? Yes. Manmana bhava madbhakta madjaji mang namaskuru mangavesyasi satyam te pratijani priyosime sarva dharman paritejya mamekam saranam braja antam sarva papebhyo mukhishyami masucha. Isn't it? This is his most confidential instruction. Think of me, manmana bhava. Think of me. Keep me in your mind. Drive out all the thoughts from your mind. Only the thought of Krishna will be there. This manmana bhava. Madbhakta, become my devotee, my servitor, my servant. Bhakta means servant. Serve me. Madhyaji, mang namaskuru. Worship me and pay obeisances to me. Everything is Krishna. Then you will come to me. Mangavesyasi satyanti pratijani priyosime. You are very dear to me, Arjuna. I tell you the most confidential instruction. Give you. Sarvadhamman paritejya mamekam saranam braja antam sarva papebhyo mukhishyami masucha. Giving up all other varieties of dharma, only surrender unto me. You understand? That is his most concluding, most confidential instruction. To surrender unto Krishna. To take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. You understand? Why he said like that? Why he said like that? Who is Krishna? Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. All right, let him be Supreme Personality. What is that to us? No one can give shelter except for Krishna. The why people are engaged. Why people are here, especially in the West. The great scientists are there. Day by day, they are doing research work and is manufacturing, inventing or discovering, you understand, wonderful scientific instruments, your, what you say, atomic weapons. What purpose? For protection only, isn't it? Isn't it? They think these atomic weapons will give them protection. Why don't you teach them? You are mudhas, you are rascals. Why are you doing this thing? Take shelter of Krishna. He'll give protection. Are you telling them? Bolo! Huh? Yes? Are you telling? What's your name? Oh, Vishnu. He came with us. Vishnu. All right. Are you telling them? If you tell them, they will beat you. Isn't it? Oh, who is that Krishna? Who is he? Huh? Supreme Personality of Godhead. Where is he? How is he? How does he look? Huh? Has anybody seen him? Have you seen him? Isn't it? Huh? They ask this question. Isn't it? Are not both asking this question? Huh? They are asking this. What is your answer? Vishnu Das. Bolo? What is your answer? Huh? That's not the answer to my question. I tell you, they ask this question. Have you seen him? They ask. Isn't it? Then what do you say? Vishnu Das Prabhu. Give me. And the question is, have you seen? Then you say yes or no. It's pointed answer. Why are you telling so many things? Huh? Yes. You say, yes, I have seen him. Then next says, can you show? Show? Huh? Can you show them? How can you show them? Huh? That means you will tell them, come to our temple and see these deities, isn't it? So, do they accept that they are Supreme Personality of Godhead? Oh, these idols. You are idol worshippers, isn't it? Isn't it? Do you understand my language? Don't they say like this? Huh? Idols. You are worshipping idols. The idol worshippers. The idol is a Supreme Personality of Godhead. Huh? Don't they say so? Then, how can you show them? Huh? They won't accept it. That this is Supreme Personality of Godhead and you will give us protection. Huh? Will they be satisfied with this? Huh? No. Then, their motto is, sing is believing. Isn't it? Sing is believing. Why don't you come to the front? Where sit this side and not on my face like this. Come to the front. Come, here. Front. Come to the front, here. No, tell them. Record here. Do you understand? Huh? Their motto is, seeing is believing. Isn't it? If we see, then we'll believe. Yes, that Supreme Lord is there. What you say, Supreme Personality of Godhead is there. Then we'll believe. If we can't see, how can we believe? So, then what shall you do or what can you say? Huh? Huh? What logic you will put forth, Baba? What logic? Yes, put forth some logic. All right. I can show you. Can you see? Huh? Huh? Have you vision to see? Huh? Huh? Isn't it? Have you vision to see? Why not? I have this vision. I have Some defect I have put on glass also. Also I have some very, what is it, microscope or telescope. Microscope or telescope, very powerful machine, instrument also we have invented, manufactured, which we can see. Then, can you show through this? Huh? Huh? What is that spiritual eye? What sort of vision it is? Is that eye is available somewhere? Anywhere here? Huh? They are opening some eye bank, I think. Some eye bank, isn't it? Some eye bank. A blood bank is there. Some eye bank, isn't it? Somebody donates his eye. Huh? Those are blind person. I am donating my eye, let it be. Set up there, isn't it? Is there some sort of eye there? Then, where it is available, that eye? Huh? Gyan Chakyu. What is that? What sort of eye it is? Huh? But you should say, you should admit, if I show you, you cannot see it because you have not vision. You understand? You have not vision. Things are there. We say vastu. समझते हो वस्तु? हाँ? जानते हैं ना? वस्तु is there, isn't it? So I should be there. Otherwise, if I is not there, if vastu is there, how can you see it? Isn't it? Huh? A light. Vastu is there, I is there. If there is no light, how can you see? Third thing comes, isn't it? Understand me? Huh? समझते हो ना? Huh? Three things are required. Do you understand? Vastu is there, and Krishna is eternal Vastava Vastu, isn't it? Dharma prajita kaitavatra parama nirmatsranam satam vidyam Vastava Vastu atsa Shivada. Second verse of Srimad Bhagavatam says this thing. Vastava Vastu Shivada. Krishna is the Vastava Vastu. In English, you may say, it's only reality, isn't it? It's only reality. Vastava Vastu. Do you understand? Eternal, perfect, isn't it? Reality. It's Vastava Vastu and Shivada. It's all auspicious. That is Krishna. Huh? Vastava Vastu Shivada. Huh? So it's there. It's eternally there. But you should have vision to see. Do you follow? This what vision you have got, that is not the vision to see that perfect eternal Vastu, Vastava Vastu, Krishna. Do you follow? In that respect, you are blind. Huh? You are blind. Who has no vision is a blind. Isn't it? You have no vision to see that eternal perfect Vastava Vastu. Therefore, you are blind in that respect. Huh? One story is there. One born blind boy was there. Very bad, he was blind. You follow? He had not seen sun. Because from very bad he was blind. You understand? He had not seen sun. People, those who are not blind, those who have eyes, they see sun. They speak about sun. Isn't it? Oh, now dark night is finished. Huh? The effulgent sun has come out, risen. Bright sunshine is there. Get up, get up, get up, wake up, don't sleep. Do you understand? The blind boy was hearing. What? Sun. Who is he? What is that? What is that? That your sun makes your day and night. I make my own day and night. When I sleep, that is my night. When I am awake, I wake up, that is my day. I make my own day and night. How is it that your son is making your day and night? What is that son? Who is he? Hey, Baba, don't speak about son. Don't disturb my peace. I am peaceful. Huh? He says like that. Do you follow me? Huh? But he is not prepared to admit that he is blind. He has no vision to see the sun, isn't it? Those who have vision, those who see sun, they are speaking about it. But he is not prepared to accept it. Huh? He is not prepared to admit that I am blind, really I am blind. Rather he gets angry, hey, don't speak about sun. Don't disturb my peace, I am very peaceful. I make my own day and night. When I am asleep, that is my night. When I awake, that is my day. What is that? Your son makes your day and night. Do you understand? This blind boy, from very birth he is blind. But he is not prepared to admit that I am blind. Similarly, these people, materialistic people, they are not prepared to admit, yes, really we are blind. Yes. We have no vision, proper vision to see the sun. I mean to see Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Those who have eyes, they see. Do you understand? And they speak about it. Huh? But they don't put faith in their words. Do you follow me? They don't put faith in their words. So I say, Vastu is there, but two things are required. Eyes should be required, vision should be required, and light should be required. Do you understand? Light should be required. Otherwise, though the Vastu is there, still we cannot see. Huh? So what sort of eye is required to see Krishna? And you can also tell them, all right, if you say seeing is believing, if you can see, then you'll believe. But if I show you, you cannot see it because you have no such vision. All right. Can you see all the things here? Huh? Though you have this material vision, material eye, still you cannot see. What is going on backside, you can see. What is going on 100 miles away, you can see. Through telescope, you may see something. Do you understand? Your vision is so defect. Your senses are so defect. Do you understand? You are a conditioned soul. You have 4 defects. Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karma, Patava. Isn't it? You understand this thing? 4 defects of conditioned souls. Brahma, Pramada, Vipralipsa, Karma, Patava. What do you say in English? Imperfect senses. Then commit errors. Isn't it? There's 4 defects. Conditioned soul has 4 defects. And very important sense is this eye. Do you understand? And they have this motto, seeing is believing. Isn't it? But what you see is imperfect. Isn't it? It's not very difficult to understand. It's very easy to understand. Take simple example. You are sitting in the compartment, train compartment, the first going train compartment. The train is going very fast. Look at the trees standing beside the rail. What do you see? Then, what do you see? The trees are running very swiftly backward. I am sitting still. Then it is correct. Is it correct? It's not correct. You are running swiftly. Trees are standing still. But you see, trees are running very swiftly backward. Then how to say that what you see is correct? Do you understand? This is a very simple example. It's a very simple example. that you have defective senses. So how can you see the most perfect reality, Vastavastu, Krishna, Supreme Personality Godhead? Cannot be possible. Do you understand? You should admit that you are blind. Isn't it? You are blind. That respect. You should admit first. Then you should be very eager. How can I get that vision? Isn't it? How can I get that vision? Huh? As for example, all right, one who has lost his eyes, a blind man, what does he do to get back his eye or vision? Huh? He goes to a doctor. Isn't it? He goes to a doctor. Do you understand? Cataract is there. So doctor will make cataract operation, take out of the cataract. Then he gets back the vision, then he can see. Isn't it? Huh? Similarly, when you are blind in this respect to see the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, huh? Then what shall you do? You should be very eager. How can I get that vision? Where shall I go? And how can I get back that vision? That you should inquire about it. So what can you say? You should approach Sadhu Vaidya. Do you understand? Sadhu is a Vaidya. Vaidya means physician. Do you understand? Sadhu Vaidya. Sadhu is a Vaidya. Is a physician. Huh? Who cures all material ills. Isn't it? Who cures all material ills. So you should approach such a person. Premanjana surita bhakti vilocanena santa sadeva hrudesu vilokayanti jasyama sundaram achintya guna sarupam govindam adi purusham tamam bhajami. Brahma Samhita says. Premanjana surita bhakti vilocanena santa sadeva hrudesu vilokayanti jasyama sundaram. This sort of vision is required to see that all beautiful form of Syama Sundaram. Premanjana surita bhakti vilochana. Prema anjana, the ointment of love. One who has smeared the ointment of love on his eyes. Developed bhakti vilochana bhakti chakyu. Only he can see that all beautiful form of Syama Sundara with deen and with doubt. Isn't it? Otherwise, you cannot see. Do you follow? Such vision is required. Then question comes. Prema anjana, all right, ointment of love, where it is available? Is there any factory? Somebody is manufacturing it? Vishnu Das bolo. Is there any factory? Somebody is manufacturing it? No. Then, no such factory. Nobody is manufacturing. Then where will it be available? How can we get it? Hare Krishna temple. This is president. Then president is manufacturing. Are you manufacturing? Hare Krishna temple. Are you manufacturing? President is president? And manufacturing? मत घबराओ मत घबराओ How can we get? That means that sadhu is manufacturing. How does he manufacture it, Baba? Parampara. What is that? Parampara. Do you understand? Prema, when question of prema is comes, prema, question of prema comes, then you come to Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? the head, Krishna thought of that thing. Oh, I gave everything. Confidential, more confidential, most confidential instruction through Arjuna to whole mankind. Huh? Isn't it? But then he said this thing, he wound up his leela, went back to his abode, Golok Vrindavan. Huh? He has said in Bhagavad Gita, last chapter, last verse of 5th chapter. Huh? Bhuktaram jagnatapasam sarvaloka maheswaram srudam sarvabhutanam gyantvaman santing rutsati. Isn't it? Huh? He says, one thing he said, Bhuktaram, I am the only enjoyer. Huh? Isn't it? I am the only enjoyer. Nobody is enjoyer. Krishna is enjoyer. Bhaktaram. Jagyam tapasam. The result of Jagyam, result of tapasya. And the enjoyer. Sarvaloka Maheswaram. I am Supreme Ishvara, Parameshwara, Maheswara of all lokas, spiritual and material. Isn't it? Huh? Srudam Sarvabhutanam. And the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Jnantva santing rutsati. One who knows this thing, he gets peace. Huh? You follow? He gets peace. So one point, every point is here important. So I'll pinpoint this. Srudam sarvabhutana. Huh? I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Nobody else. Is there? Or are there any friends of yours? Those are well-wishers. Vishnudas. Huh? Are there? Huh? Who are they? Your father, your mother, your brother, your sister? Devotees. Not your father, mother, brother, sister. They are also. So that means you have your father, mother, brother, sister, also called friends. They are also your well-wishers. Isn't it? Why Krishna says that I am the only well-wisher? Huh? Then Krishna says lie. He's a liar. Vishnudas has so many well-wishers. Huh? Huh? How do you say so? I can't understand this thing. I am confused now. Huh? I have complete faith in the words of Krishna. Now listening from Vishnudas, I am confused. Oh, you have so many well-wishers. Why? Why does Krishna say that I am the only well-wisher? Huh? Huh? Krishna is the only well-wisher. Nobody else. Do you follow Vishnudas? They are not your well-wishers. Huh? They are all, your relationship with them is based on this body. Do you follow? Is bodily relationship, is material relationship. Do you understand? And this relationship based on what? Taking and giving. Taking, giving, transaction is there. If some breach is there, discrepancy is there, relationship finished, Baba. Isn't it? Huh? Relationship finished. Are you a married person? No. Oh, not married person. So married persons are there. Many. You are married person. Huh? Shyam Sundar? Yeah, he is married person. Married. Many married persons, they have wives. Isn't it, dear wife? Yes, very dear, very affectionate, very loving. Isn't it? Yes. So is she not well-wisher? No. Not well-wisher? Vishnunas, all wives will take up now broomstick to beat you. क्या बोलते हो? Their relation based on giving and taking. There is some breach, some discrepancy. The relationship is finished. They are not well-wishers at all. Krishna says, I am the only well-wisher. Srudam sarvabhutanam. I am the only well-wisher of all living entities. Do you understand? Bhagavatam says the so-called bodily relations. Do you understand? The husband and wife relationship, father and son relationship, master and servant relationship, friend and friend relationship, and other relationships. If we categorize the relationship here in material world, they will fall under these 5 categories. Isn't it? Huh? 5 categories. Do you follow my language? Husband and wife relationship, father and son relationship, and master and servant relationship, friend and friend relationship, and other relationship. 5 categories. All material relations will fall under these 5 categories. They are all related to this material body. As soon as body is finished, the relationship is finished. You understand? And Bhagavatam says, Sodhanakya dosyu. Your wife, your son, your daughter, your brother, your so-called friends, they are plunderers. Dasyu. Sodhanakya, they go on the name of Sodhana. Keep and kill, but they are plunderers. Do you follow my language? Huh? Very deep thing, very deep. Sodhanakya dasyu. Huh? Bhagavatam says, Srimad Bhagavatam pramanam avalam. Srimad Bhagavatam spotless proof. There is no falsehood, you see. Spotless proof. Pramanam avalam, amar praman. Visuddha praman, pure proof. Do you understand? They are Sodhanakya dasyo. They are plunderers. Go on by the name of Sodhana. Keep and kill. They are plundering you. Isn't it? Son is plundering, daughter is plundering, wife is plundering, friend is plundering, brother is plundering. Isn't it? Give us this thing, give us this thing, give us this thing, give us this thing. Wife has so many demands. Son has, daughter has. Son is going to the college, reading, give me car, nice car. Latest invented car. Not old model car. So, this thing, that thing. Plundering. Isn't it? If you want to give, then son becomes enemy. Wife becomes enemy. Daughter becomes enemy. Friend becomes enemy. Isn't it? Kale mitro, kale opor. Maharaja says, Shastra says, Kale mitro, kale opor. Today they are friend, next day enemy. So what is this relationship? Are they well-wishers? No. Krishna said, Srudam sarvabhutanam. I am the only well-wishing friend. Nobody else. Though you have forgotten Krishna, conditioned soul, Krishna has not forgotten you. Krishna is always thinking of you. He comes here to this material world. He has no business here. Has he any business here? Yes, he is abode there. He is always engaged in his eternal leela there. Why he comes here? Only devotees. Others will not be delivered. Only devotees. Jiva, Mahaprabhu के जीवेर स्वरूप है कृष्णेर नित्य दास. जीवर स्वरूप है कृष्ण नित्य दास. Jiva is bhakta, he is a devotee. Swarup. Who is devotee is not devotee. Huh? Who is devotee and who is not devotee? In Swarup all jivas are devotees. Bhaktas, isn't it? Nitya Das. Mahaprabhu's teaching. Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Jiver Swarup hoy Krishna Nitya Das. Isn't it? Constitutional position of Jiva is that. Is eternal servant of Krishna. That is the devotee. But he has forgotten it. Do you understand? He has forgotten it. Krishna being the only valuing friend, he comes here, he descends here, he manifests his leelas here, transcendental leelas here. He descends here with his dham, with his abode, with his associates. Isn't it? He manifests his leelas here. Why? Why he does so? Huh? He also manifests his Rasa Leela here. Isn't it? Yes. Why he does so? Huh? Why he does so? Follow? Because this Leela should be recorded. Books should be there. Do you understand? Huh? Those who are devotees, those who are his eternal associates, dear devotees, those who come down from that spiritual world here, they speak about it. Do you understand? They will speak about it, and that is only speaking. They speak. And books are there. Vyasdev writes books. Huh? Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, 18 Puranas, Upanishads, so many Vedic literatures. It's all this Krishna, about Krishna. Supreme truth. Huh? Tattva, nothing else. Books should be written. Huh? And that should be read. That should be spoken. That should be heard. Isn't it? Kirtitavya, srotavya, dhatyavya. Do you understand? That should be heard. That should be read. That should be spoken. That should be meditated upon. Huh? Krishna Katha, nectarian Katha, is all nectarian, transcendental, it's not material. Do you understand? Srinatang Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Tujasto Hi Abhadrani Vidhunoti Srutsatang. Srimad Bhagavatam says. Srinatang Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Tujasto Hi Abhadrani Vidhunoti Srutsatang. Srimad Bhagavatam says. You have got an ear to hear. Hear what? What will you hear? Huh? Huh? Only Krishna Katha. But in this material, so many topics are going on relating to politics, sense enjoyment, some other kathas, material. So many people are hearing. So what is the result? What is the consequence of hearing such material topics? Only accumulating more and more material filth in the heart. Material contamination only. Still there is no satiation. Is there satiation? Day and day after day. Always trying to hear something more sweeter, newer thing. Isn't it? Old things, it is old and still rejected. Something new. Still no satiation. Huh? But Srinatang Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Tudyasto Hi Abhadrani Vidhunoti Srutsatang. If you hear Krishna Katha, nectarian Katha, so sweet and nectarian Katha, from the lips of Sadang, from the lips of a pure devotee, he is completely absorbed, Manvana Bhava, completely absorbed in thought of Krishna. Do you understand? Completely surrendered at the lotus feet of Krishna. Sarvadharman pritijya mamikam saranam braja. Huh? Do you understand? Day and night, 24 hours engaged in rendering loving service unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Such a sadhu, satang. Do you understand? If you hear Krishna Katha from his lips, huh? How pleasing it is. Hrutkarna rasayana katha. Huh? Hrutkarna rasayana katha. This Krishna Katha, nectarian, transcendental nectarian Katha, gives pleasure to ear and heart. Do you understand? Srinatang so Katha Krishna. Punya Sravana Kirtana. It's all auspicious. Nothing inauspicious. Huh? Rudastohi avadrani vidhunoti srutsava. That cleanses the dirt accumulated, material dirt accumulated in your heart, life after life like Himalayan mountains. You understand? If you hear, this is to be heard. So Krishna comes here, manifests his leelas here, because this should be recorded, this book, in book form, and this should be spoken, this should be narrated, this should be heard, this should be studied, this should be meditated upon. Thereby, your heart will be cleansed of all material dirt. You understand? No other process is there that you can cleanse up the dirt accumulated in the heart. Is there any process? Any scientist has brought out something, invented something, or manufactured something? No. Do you understand? Vikrita Bradavadhu Viridincha Vishnu. 10th canto of Bhagavatam. Huh? I say Krishna comes here, manifests his Rasalila here. This is not a platform to manifest Rasalila here. Material platform. Not transcendental. Do you understand? Still Krishna comes down here with his abode, his associates, all gopis, all his eternal associates, very intimate. He manifests. Thus Rasalila is recorded there in 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam. Many books are there. Huh? Vikridita Brajavadhu Vridincha Vishnu. Brajavadhu, damsels of Brajabhumi. Krishna dances. Those are not material topics, the transcendental topics. Those who are such devotees, those who have developed Gopi Bhav, Radha Bhav, they understand, they speak about it. They are devotees of Krishna. If you hear from them, from their lips, that topics, then Srunayad, one who hears, Apihinotiyasu Hruduroga Kamam, your heart disease will be cured. You are a heart patient, isn't it, Vishnuda? You have heart disease, isn't it? What is that heart disease? What is that? Kama, lost, isn't it? All are heart patients, all. This kama is there, lost is there. There is no love for Krishna. Do you follow me? Huh? This is heart disease. Apihinotiyasu hrudrogo kamam. Hrudrogo means heart disease, kama, lost. Isn't it? We have developed lust here. No lust, no love. The perverted form of love is lust. Do you follow? Yes. And this is the medicine for that hrudroga. Kama. This Krishna Katha. Do you understand? Transcendental nectarian Krishna Katha. So Krishna comes here. Because he is our well-wishing friend. Huh? Well-wishing friend. Srudam Sarvabhutanam. Huh? So I was telling this thing that Krishna thinking that in his abode. He wound up his Leela. At the end of the Apar Yuga, beginning of Kali Yuga, went back to his abode. Thinking that thing, I gave everything. Confidential instruction, more confidential instruction, most confidential instruction through Arjuna to whole mankind. Manvana bhava mad bhakta mad jaji man namaskar mangavesyasi. Sarvadharman pritijya mamekam saranam. How many can understand this thing? Huh? How many can understand this thing? Huh? After Dwapar Yuga, Kali Yuga has come. most degraded and sinful age, all are engaged in sinful activities, consciously or unconsciously, isn't it? Visiting, meat-eating, gambling, intoxication, illicit sex, isn't it? 4 pillars of sinful activity. All are engaged. Yes, especially West, very strong. Huh? Go out to the street, find so many big billboards. 24-hour wine, beer, liquor. You understand? Roasted chicken. Beef people, very good people. So many things. Huh? Isn't it? So strong here. Huh? How the people have come? Kali Yuga can understand this thing. Consciousness is so polluted consciousness, low consciousness, inferior consciousness. How can they understand? And what Krishna says, this should be understood in Tattva. Janma karmam cha me divyam evam jo vyakti tattvata tektva deham punarjanma na iti samangiti Arjuna. Isn't it? Krishna said, my birth, my activities are transcendental, not material. And one who knows it in Tattva, what is in English Tattva? In truth, after quitting this body, he'll go to me. Do you understand? Never. No punarjanma, no rebirth. That means never come here again and take bath here. Huh? That is the goal of human life. Do you understand? Labdha sudalavidam bahusambhavanti manasya marthada manitya mapiyadira. 11th canto, Bhagavatam says. After undergoing lots of stages of life, one gets a chance. Krishna gives chance and gets the rarely achieved birth, this human birth. Rarely achieved birth, dullabham. Why? Because in this birth, he can understand Krishna in truth, in tattva. Joviti tattvata. Tektva deham punarjanmana iti samangiti Arjuna. Quitting his body, he will come to me, never come back here again, no rebirth. You understand? So Krishna thinks, how can they understand in tattva? It's polluted consciousness, people of Kali Yuga. Do you understand? And I have only said theoretically. Huh? I have not practically demonstrated how to surrender. Huh? How to manmana bhava. Do you follow me? Huh? The theoretical speaking will never help or do. Example is better than precept, isn't it? Huh? Example is better than precept. I have not set up example. Huh? I have not practically demonstrated how to surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna. How to manmana. Always think of Krishna. Huh? Then I have to go again. I have to go again. Do you follow? Yes. So he came as Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Do you follow? So he came as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Apani karimu bhakta bhav angikare apani achari bhakti sikhamu savare. I will go as a bhakta, as a devotee, not as Krishna. Do you follow? I'll go as a devotee, assuming the mode of devotee. I'll cultivate devotion in my own life and teach. Apane na koile dharma sikhano na jay. Ei to siddhanta Gita Bhagavate koi. This is siddhanta, this is conclusion done in Gita and Bhagavata. If you want to do in your own life, do you understand? Practice bhakti in your life. You cannot teach. Theoretical teaching won't do. Do you understand? That is Mahaprabhu's motto. Apane achari dharma upari sikha. First you practice, you observe in your own life, then teach. Then it is effective. Otherwise, theoretical speaking won't do. Ineffective, blank fire. It is blank fire. No potency. Do you understand? Empty words. So Mahaprabhu came, though he is Krishna, but he came as a devotee. You understand? And himself practices devotion, surrender unto lotus feet of Krishna, and teaches. So those who are dear devotees of Krishna, I must say, Mahaprabhu, Gour Priyajana, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur, huh? They have said that thing. Mahajana Jena Gato Sapantha, they have shown us the path. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari, So Parsada Suyo Dhama Sahovatori, Sikhaye Saranagati, Atyanta Durlava Prema Karibare Dano, Sikhaye Saranagati, Bhakoti Prana. Bhakti Vinod Thakur says. Huh? Do you understand? Krishna says, Srudam Sarabhutana. I am the only well-listening friend. So he thought like that. So he came as Gauranga Mahaprabhu, isn't it? And Bhakti Vinod Thakur also quoting the words of Mahaprabhu. Jeev jago, Gora chando bole, Kodo nidra jao maya, Pisa chiro kole, Bhajiv boliya ise, Sansaro bhitore, Guliya rohile tumi, Ovidyaro bhori, Tomate loite ami, Hainu avotaro, Amamina bandhuar, Ke ache tomar. Isn't it? Same thing he says. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Jive Daya Kari, Suya Dhama So Parsada Sahovatori. Because he is a well-wishing friend. Huh? So, soaring is causes mercy on the jiva suffering souls here. He descended here with his own dhamma, with his own abode, and with his associates. What purpose? Atyanta durlava prema karibare dana sikhaye saranagati bhakotera prana. Do you understand? To teach us saranagati, to teach us how to surrender unto Krishna. Do you understand? And to give durlava prema, that Krishna prema premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena, santa sadaiva hrudesu vilakayanti, jasyama sundaranga chintya guna surupam, Govinda adi purusam tamam bhajami. Then so that Krishna prema comes here. Huh? Atyanta durlava prema karibare dano, sikhaye saranagati bhakotera prana. To give that prema, Krishna prema is very rare. It's very difficult on the part of Brahma to get. Brahmara durlava prema savakare jati. It's very difficult on the part of Brahma to get that prema. It's very rare. Still, Mahaprabhu offers it indiscriminately. Patita pamara nahi bachi. Isn't it? Never discriminates whether one is qualified or not qualified, eligible or not eligible, worthy or not worthy. Even patitas, pamaras, indiscriminately gives. Mahavadanyaya, most munificent incarnation, Adhuta Vadanya, wonderfully munificent. Huh? Isn't it? Patita Pam, never discriminates. Patita Pam, Jagai, Malai, they got. Huh? Uttama Adhama Kichuna Bachilo. Jachi Dilekakol, Emana Gourangi, Kohe Premananda Emana Gourangi, Hudayamo. Premananda Das, a dear devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, huh? Vaishnava poet, he has said. Uttama Adhama Kichuna Bachilo, Jachi Dilekakol, Kohe Premananda Emana Gourangi, Hudayamo. Premananda Das right. Gauranga Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully munificent, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous. He never discriminates patitas, the pamaras, the uttamas, the adhamas. He embraces one and all. So he says, Premananda Das says, Imana Gaurange Hrudaya Dhyavo. Keep that Gauranga in your heart and utter ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লো গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, বলো ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লো গৌরাঙ্গে নাম রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজি সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে। If you are not helping me, I am helpless. You can see. ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গের নাম রে, যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজে সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে। Do you understand? Adore name of Gauranga. Stand name of Gauranga. Do you understand? Speak about Gauranga. One who does Gauranga bhajan, he is my life and soul. Do you understand? গৃহে বা বনস্থে থাকে হা গৌরাঙ্গ বলি ডাকে, নরোত্তম মাগে তার সঙ্গে। নরোত্তম দাস ঠাকুর গৃহে বা বনস্থে থাকে হা গৌরাঙ্গ বলি ডাকে, নরোত্তম মাগে তার সঙ্গে। He may be গৃহবাসী or বনবাসী. If he says ha Gauranga, Narottam Das Thakur begs for his association. Dear devotee of Gauranga. Do you understand? So dear devotee of Gauranga, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He says, quoting Mahaprabhu's words, Jib jago Gorachanna bole, kodo nidra jao maya pisachi. Wake up, wake up, wake up, jivas. How long will you sleep on the lap of ugly witch Maya? Vishnudas, how long will you sleep? On the lap of the ugly witch Maya? Very nice, comfortable. Maya's lap. Jib jago, jago, jago. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Kodo nidra jao. ভজিব বলিয়া আছে সংসার ভিতরে, ভুলিয়া রহিলে তুই অবিদ্যার করে। You have come here to do bhajan. Do you understand, Vishnudas? You have come here to do bhajan, but you have forgotten. Being captured by Maya, avidya, ignorance. So I am being your well-wisher friend. I bring your well-wisher friend. I came here. তোমারে লইতে আমি হইনু অবতার, আমা বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার। For you I descend here. For you, because I am here. আমা বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে? Is there any friend but me? বলো, আমা বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার? Mahaprabhu says, Krishna says, Srimad, Mahaprabhu says, আমা বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার? Is there any friend, well-wishing friend but me? Yes? No, it's only well-wishing friend. Do you understand? And what he has said, what he has brought us. এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবারো লাগি, হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র লেও তুমি মাগি। এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবারো লাগি, হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র লেও। I have got medicine, unfailing medicine, amogham ঔষধি. It will never fail. Other medicines will fail. Man, very powerful medicine. You may bring. Do you understand? But that will fail. But this will never fail. এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি, হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র লেও। I have brought this medicine, unfailing medicine, হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. This is medicine for you. Harinam Mahamantra. You take it. Bhakati Vinoda Prabhu Charane Padya. Say Harinam Mantra Laila Magya. It's very intelligent. Immediately surrender. Please give me. Please give me. You understand? Prabhu tumi jivero মঙ্গল চিন্তা করি, কলিযুগে নাম সঙ্গে स्वयं अवतरी जुग धर्म प्रचारिल नाम संकीर्तन मुख्य पथे जीव पाय कृष्ण प्रेम धन नामेर स्मरण नाम संकीर्तन এই মাত্র ধর্ম জীব করিবে পালন। ভক্তিবিনোদ ঠাকুর সেদিন হরিনাম চিন্তা প্রভু তুমি জীবের মঙ্গল চিন্তা করি কলিযুগে নাম সঙ্গে স্বয়ং কতই যুগ ধর্ম প্রচারিল নাম সংকীর্তন মুখ্য পথে জীব পায় কৃষ্ণ প্রেমানন্দ। ও লর্ড, ও মহাপ্রভু, you are only well-wishing friend, so thinking of the all welfare, all auspiciousness of these suffering souls here in Kali Yuga, you descend here, with your holy name. Do you understand? Kali Yuga naam sange sangabhat. Kali Yuga naam rupi Krishna অবতারো নাম হইতে হয়ে সর্ব জগত নিস্তার নাম বিনা কলি কালে নাই আর ধর্ম সর্বমন্ত্র সার নাম এই শাস্ত্র মর্ম। Isn't it? In Kali Yuga there is no other incarnation. Kali Yuga Nama Rupe Krishna avatar. It's not incarnation. Krishna has incarnated himself in Kali Yuga in the form of his holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Do you understand? Sadhu Mahajana Shastra, they have said, Sarva Shastra Marma. All Vedic literature says so. It's not concocted. Mahaprabhu descended and Juga Dharma Prasarilo Nam Sankirtana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Mukhya Pathe Jiva Pai Krishna Premadhana. Chief result of chanting Hare Krishna is Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema. Do you understand? Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena Santa Sadeva Hrudeso Vilokoyanti Jasyama Sundaranga Chintya Guna Surupam Govinda Adi Purusha Tamamudami. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu gives that prema. Do you understand? How gives prema? Namneiva pradurasidabatarati paredattatam nami gauram. Prabodhananda Saraswati Thakur said, I pay my obeisance to that Goura, Mahavadanya Avatar, most munificent incarnation Goura, who gives indiscriminately this Krishna Prema, which is even very difficult on the part of Brahma to get, indiscriminately gives one and all, through chanting this holy name. Namneiva pradurasi. Mukhya Pathe Jiva Pai Krishna Premada. Chief result of chanting Hare Krishna is Krishna Prema. Niraparade Nam Loile Pai Prema. If your chanting is offenseless, then you get Prema. It's pure name. This Prema is Krishna. So he gives this thing. Namera Smarana Nam Sankirtana, Imatra Dharma Jiva, Korive Palana Korijuga, this is only one Dharma. Chanting holy name, thinking it always. Manmana Bhava. As Krishna says, Manmana Bhava, Mad Bhakta, Mad Jaji, Mang Namaskar. Always think of me. Day and night, 24 hours. No other thought. Is your stupid mind thinking of Krishna? Pagal man? Mad mind? Stupid mind? Rascal? Thinking? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. Is there Krishna Chinta? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. Thinking of the wife, thinking of the son, thinking of the daughter, thinking of his friend. Isn't it? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. Is that Krishna Chinta? Stupid mind is not thinking of Krishna. Huh? Krishna says, Manonaro, think of me, put me in your mind. Mahaprabhu says something. Huh? Do you understand? Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Gao Krishna, Nama. Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Gao Krishna, Nama. Krishna Minu. Huh? What is that? Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Ga Krishna Nam, Krishna Minu, Nachinta Anam. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu says. Chant the name of Krishna, adore the name of Krishna, think of Krishna. Do you understand? Don't think of anything but Krishna. Do you understand? Bolo Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Ga Krishna Nam, Krishna Minu, Nachinta Anam. Don't think of anything but Krishna. You understand? Jadi ama proti sneho thake sobakaro tabe Krishna bedirikto nagaibe aro. If you really love me, jadi ama proti sneho thake sobakar tabe Krishna bedirikto nagaibe aro. If you really love me, you must love me once. Huh? Mahaprabhu says. So I tell you, Krishna bedirikto nagaibe aro. Don't chant anything, don't utter anything but Krishna. Huh? Niso chinta Krishna balaho bodani kisayani kibhojani kiva jagoroni. Niso chinta Krishna balaho bodani kisayani kibhojani kiva jagoroni. Niso, day and night, 24 hours. Manmana bhava. This is manmana bhava. Day and night, 24 hours. Huh? Chinta Krishna balaho vadani. Think of Krishna. Utter name of Krishna. Ki sayane, ki bhodane, ki vajagra. All condition. Sleeping condition, waking condition, dreaming condition, even while taking food. Don't forget Krishna. Huh? How will it be possible? How will it be possible? Huh? Huh? Chanting. Huh? Without love, will it be possible? Stupid mind has developed some liking. Huh? To his wife, to his son, to his daughter, to his friend, to his bank balance. Isn't it? Huh? The stupid mind thinks that thing. Isn't it? Am I wrong? No. It has not developed love for Krishna. How can it think of Krishna? Huh? How can it think of Krishna? Huh? Unless you develop love for Krishna. Huh? You follow me? Without love it cannot be possible at all, Baba. You may be chanting Hare Krishna, but the mind is thinking something else. Yes. Isn't it? Yes. Hare Krishna, mind is thinking. Hare Krishna, this way, mind is that. Then you are committing aparad only. It's offense, nama aparad. Niraparad hai naam loile paye Krishna prema. Huh? If your chanting will be offenseless, then you will get Krishna prema. And Mahaprabhu gives Krishna prema through this chanting. But your chanting should be pure, should be offenseless. Otherwise, how can you get? Mahaprabhu gives, but you cannot accept it, take it. Huh? Durdaivedrusi mihadani nangrava. Nam nam kari bodha nija sarpa sakti tatrapita niyamita smurani kalo. Etadrusi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durdaivedrusi mihadani nangrava. Huh? Huh? Oh Lord, you are so merciful, wonderfully merciful. Nam namakari bodha nija sarva sakti tatrapita. You give all your potency in this chanting of holy name. Huh? Smaraniya kala. You wave out all the bars. Do you understand? In chanting holy name. No bar of time, place, circumstances, any place, any time, any condition one can chant. Huh? Durdaiva idrusi mihadani. But I am such a rascal. Huh? Durdaiva. I am such a rascal. I cannot develop attraction for it. Isn't it? Then Mahaprabhu gives freely, indiscriminately. But you cannot give, accept, receive it. Huh? Then what shall be done? What shall be done? Bolo, Vishnudas. Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully merciful, gives this thing, but we are so rascals, we cannot accept it. Huh? How can you develop that love? That is our question. Unless you develop love for Krishna, you cannot think of Krishna, cannot utter the name of Krishna, day and night, 24 hours. This question of love. Do you understand? And we have this loving, perfect loving relationship with Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartati iti matva vasante man buddha bhava samannita. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, aham sarvasya prabhavo matta sarvam pravartati iti matva vasante man buddha bhava samannita. I am the source of all emanations. Everything has emanated from me. Isn't it? Aham sarvasya prabhavam matta iti matva vasante man buddha. Those are Buddha, those are real Pandits, learned. Those who know this thing, they do my bhajan with this mood, bhav. What is that mood? Mood of love. You understand? Mood of love. It's prema bhava, priti bhava. Do you understand? Krishna is the only object of love. Krishna is the only object of love. Priti vishoy. Is there any object of love is there? No object of love is there. Krishna is the only object of love. We have perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. Isn't it? Huh? We have perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. Therefore, Kirtanya Sada Hari. Isn't it? Kirtanya Sada Hari. So Hari is Kirtanya because of this loving relationship. In material sphere, material will fight this thing. Mother has a natural affection for her son, her child, isn't it? Now, is your mother here, Vishnudas? No, where is she? She is in India, Gujarat, Delhi, all right. You are here in Houston, America. So mother has natural affection for you, isn't it? She is thinking of you. Yes, my son, Vishnu is there in Houston. What is doing? He may be sleeping or who is taking care of him. I am here. Do you understand? It is so mother is thinking. And you are also thinking, you have also such. Yes, my mother was feeding me. My mother was taking care of me. Mother was so affectionate. Nobody is here. You are also thinking also. Because though it is material world, transitory, temporary thing, is material, is not spiritual, still this thing is there. Because of some affection and love. Thought comes to the mind. If you cannot develop love, the eternal, perfect, loving relationship we have with Krishna, if you cannot develop it, how can you think of Krishna? Bolo pata? Can we? No. We cannot. And Mahaprabhu gives that love. Nobody gives. Do you follow me? Mahaprabhu gives that love. Atyanta durlabha prema karivare dhanam svikaya saranagati bhagatir pran. Therefore he came. To give that love and teach saranagati. In other words, we may say, without this love, there is no question of saranagati at all. No surrender at all. Your so-called surrender is either artificial, partial, or conditional. It is not true, not complete. Isn't it? Am I wrong? Bolo, am I wrong? No. Because it's based on pure love for Krishna. Otherwise, no question of surrender at all. Though Krishna says, Sarva Dharman Paritijya, Mamekam Saranam Braja. Giving up all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. He theoretically said. But Mahaprabhu came. Mahaprabhu is Krishna himself, but came as Bhakta. Assuming the mood of gopis, Radharani. You understand? Radharani, Radha Bhav. To teach us Saranagati. That is based on love. You understand? And he's crying. Mahaprabhu is crying. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Sandrama. Ko Sikhi Kalang Krati. Ko Mandra Murali Ravo. Ko Rasa Tandavi. Sakhi. Hudayam Avsadhi Mama. You understand? Mahaprabhu crying. You understand? Because he's in the mood of Radharani. As Radharani cries, feeling pangs of separation from Krishna, seeing her intimate girl companion Sakhi, Vishakha and Lalita, Radharani cries in this way. Ko Krishna, Nanda Kula Chandrama, ko Sikhi Kalang Kriti, ko Mandra Murali Rava. Do you understand? Ko Rasarasa Dandavi. Do you understand? Similarly, Mahaprabhu cries. When he sees Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar Goswami, Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar Goswami were Lalita and Vishakha Sakhi in Krishna Lila. They are in Gour Lila, Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar Goswami. And Mahaprabhu in Radha Bhav. So he cries. Where is that Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama? Where is that Krishna, this Muna of Nanda dynasty? Where is that Krishna Sikhi Kalang Kriti? Where is that Krishna on whose crest peacock feather is there? So if you put peacock feather on crest of Mahaprabhu, how can he cry? Bolo, President. You are disturbing his mood. Isn't it? It's painful to Mahaprabhu. Very painful. Yes, do you understand my point? Very painful. Don't disturb the mood of Gauranga. Don't disturb. He says, Sikhi Kalang Kriti, Ko Krishna Sikhi Kalang Kriti. Where is that Krishna on whose crest peacock feather is there? Ko Mandra Murali Rava. Where is that Krishna, the flute on his lips? Plays so sweetly. Ko Krishna Rasa Rasa Dandavi. Where is that Krishna who dances in a ras? Oh, Sakhi. Mahaprabhu cries. Kahan gole kahan paun Brajendra Nandana Keho mote bhetaibo Murali bodon Kahaku kahibi moro Keva buje dukho Brajendra Nandana vina Phate moro bhuko. Mahaprabhu cries. Kahan gale kahan paun Murali bodon. Where shall I go? Where shall I find that Krishna is float on his lips? Murali bodon. Keho mote bhetaibo. Is there anybody who can help me in finding out that son of Nanda Maharaj, Brajendra Nandana? Kahaku kahibi keho budhe mor dukha. Before whom shall I express my pain of my heart? I feel the pain in my heart. Brajendra Nandana vina phate mor dukha. My heart is splitting. Do you understand? Having Brajendra Nandana, not getting the darshan of Brajendra Nandana, Mahaprabhu is crying like that. Do you follow? This is feeling pangs of separation from Krishna, always thinking of Krishna. This is Krishna love. You understand? Unless this love, how can you think of Krishna? How your stupid mind can think of Krishna? How can you day and night, 24 hours think of Krishna? Will it be possible? No, not at all, not at all. So Mahaprabhu came and to give that prema through chanting this holy name. If your chanting is offenseless, chanting is pure, then you get prema. Otherwise, no question at all. And those who are dear devotees of Mahaprabhu, Gour Priyajana, those who are in this mood, always in this mood, do you understand? Do you follow? Huh? That Mahaprabhu, the mood in which Mahaprabhu is, Mahaprabhu practically teaching us. Mahaprabhu practically teaching. He came here to teach us how to surrender. Yes, Sikhai Saranagati Bhagatir Prana. Do you understand? He practically teaches us. Who are in that mood? Those dear devotees of Mahaprabhu, Gour Priyajana, like Madhavendra Puri, Ishvara Puri, Raghunath Das Goswami. Do you understand? Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta, Saraswati Goswami, Prabhupada, my revered spiritual master Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. These are all dear devotees. They are in this mood. Do you understand? Feeling separation, pangs of separation from Krishna, always crying. And this chanting of Hare Krishna is the crying of this soul. Atma Krsna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Oh Hare, oh Krishna, oh Rama. Ayi Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Ma Viswami Bhavambudam Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastita Dhuri Sadhusa Vichintaya. Mahaprabhu was taught us in Sikhastaka. Isn't it? That is teaching Krishna Das. Huh? Ayi Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Ma Viswami Bhavambudam Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastita Dhuri Sadhusa Vichintaya. Oh Nanda Tanuja, oh son of Nanda Maharaj, I am your kinkar, I am your servant. Somehow or other I am fallen here in the dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and I've been drowning, suffering. Isn't it? Patitam ma viswami bhavam kripaya tava pada pankadastita dhuli sadhusa vichinta. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Gayanti mama namani rudanti mama sannidhau tesang aham parikrito nanna krito janardana. Krishna says in Adipura, chanting my holy name, who cries before me, he persuaded me. Do you follow me? This is the price you have to give, Vishnudas. You have to face the tears of love for Krishna. Isn't it? Huh? Sikhastaka. He has said that. Huh? What is that? What is that? Nayanangala dasudharaya vadanangad gadarbhaya gira pulokair nitichair babu koda pavanam grahani bhavishyati. Isn't it? Huh? Isn't it? Huh? Nayanangala dasudharaya vadanangad gadarbhaya gira pulokair nitichair babu koda pavanam grahani bhavishyati. When? By uttering, chanting your holy name, the tears will roll down, to eyes like torrential rain. My voice will be choked up. Vadanang gadgadardaya gira. Pulakir nichiteir bapu. My whole body will be ecstatic. The hairs on the body will be erected. Hue koda. Savanam grahani vanishtati. Chanting of hue. This is symptom of love. Do you understand? It's a question of love. And the Mahaprabhu practically demonstrating, though he is Krishna, chanting name of Krishna, he cries. Huh? जुगायितं निमिषेण चक्षुषा प्रभृतायितं शून्यायितं जगत सर्वं गोविंदो विरोहेण मे. Isn't it? Huh? Next one. Huh? You understand? Jugayitam nimisena. One nimisa, one movement seems to be a great long juga. Govinda viraha, feeling the pain for Srimad. Govinda. Chakshusa prabhusayitam. The tears are rolling down from my eyes like currents over here. Sunyayitam jagat sarvam Govinda virahena. The whole world seems to be empty without Govinda. Cannot having the darshan of Govinda. Do you understand? This is Mahaprabhu's teaching. Mahaprabhu feels and cries. And unless you develop this love, such love, how can you get prema? Though Mahaprabhu gives through chanting holy name, isn't it? No possibility. This is prema. Otherwise, the stupid mind won't think of Krishna Manmana Bhava. This is Gopi Bhava Radha. Sarva dharmana paritejya mamekam saram. Then you will be able to break all the barriers of this dharma. Huh? Desha dharma, kula dharma, jati dharma, veda dharma. Huh? Isn't it? What is? What are you saying? Oh, you want to stop me. All right, thank you. I am going to stop. I am going to stop. All right, take this. This is the stop. Nectar. This is food for the soul. Isn't it? Huh? Is it not? Unless you give food for the soul, unless you give food to the body becomes weak. Huh? Body becomes skinny. Isn't it? Huh? So, unless you give food for the soul, then what will happen to the soul? Oh, soul becomes skinny, weak. Huh? You are toiling so hard, like an ass, to make such arrangement of eating, sleeping, defending, mating. That is for body. Huh? But no such toiling is required to give food to the soul. Huh? You are paying so much tax for this electricity. It's for body. Are you paying tax for some sign? What? No tax. But you are paying so much tax for this. It is not difficult thing. No question of toiling so hard like an ass to get food for their giving food for this soul. It is always there. Do you understand? And so nectarious. Oh, thank you. My last thing is that without association of Sat Gaura Priyajana, they are devotee of Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Is absorbed in this thought always. No, the thought is there is Krishna. Developed Krishna's train. Do you understand? Day and night. It's little absorbed and day and night engaged in loving service of Krishna, associating with him and hearing from him. Then you develop this thing, this anjana, this ointment, this primanjana, then he says, thank you. All right. Thank you very much. Huh? Tomorrow morning I'm leaving. Yes, I remember. I remember. Yes, sorry. I have forgotten you. Made me, remind me. That's my nature. That's defect with me. I forget you.